We're happy to be here. And by the way, yung nagkasal kanina kay Red sa kay Alan, Pastor is also joining us in the party. Can we give them a big hand, ano? I believe Pastor is here on that side. Ito po, Sister. Thank you so much for being here. No? Now, moving on, everybody, I want to present to you the second parents of the newlyweds. No? They gave support, not just for this day, but for the whole love story of Red and Alan. So let's show them some love. First up, thank you so much. We're very happy to have you here. Ninong Edwin and Ninang Mildred Antonio. Kita Mildred, pero hands-on na. Yan, gito po. So as happy you are. Ninang Rochelle Desagon. Red's Tito Ninong from Tingloy, Ninong Walfrido Belino. Also from Tingloy, and Tito Ninong, Ninong Jerome Magpantay. Makakuli na yan, Ninong yan. Nakita na ako kanina dyan. Also, thank you so much, Mr. Loy and Mrs. Marian Balog. Love your outfit. Ninang Marisa Sandoval. Ano pa po natin? She is the choreographer from the photo ops, no? Very beautiful photo ops, no? Ninang Lindy Rosales. Thank you so much for that. Ito po, nagaling pa po ng Bataan, Ninang Menita Dino. Ninang, hello po, thank you so much. From north to south, ano? Enjoyed a lot of traffic. Thank you so much for being here. Also from Bataan, Ninong Wilfredo San Pedro. Oh, from north to south, ito po, home court, Mr. Warren Terania. Thank you so much, sir. Dali lang, no? Parang, okay, it's a simple afternoon. Biyahe lang ako konti. And lastly, everybody, let's show some love to Ninong Adolfo Ilagan Jr. Thank you so much. I hope I was able to mention all the